Bell peppers are one of the most expensive vegetables in the grocery store and one of the most rewarding to grow at home. A healthy plant can produce 10 to 15 peppers in a season. But peppers are fussy. When conditions are off, they stall and produce almost nothing. Here's what they actually need. Peppers are heat lovers and among the most temperature-sensitive garden crops. They need soil consistently above 65 degrees Fahrenheit to thrive, and they won't set fruit well when nights drop below 55 or rise above 90. That's why short-season gardeners struggle and why starting indoors early matters. Start seeds indoors 8 to 10 weeks before your last frost date. Peppers germinate slowly, but a heat mat holding soil at 80 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit can cut germination from 3 weeks to about 1. I'll link a seed heating mat in the description to help with indoor starts. Peppers are heavy feeders, but too much fertilizer can backfire. Nitrogen builds leaves, so too much early gives you a lush plant with no fruit. Use a balanced fertilizer at transplanting, then switch to higher phosphorus and potassium once flowers appear. Calcium matters too. A light dusting of crushed eggshells or garden lime at the base helps prevent blossom end rot. When you transplant pepper seedlings, pinch off early flowers. That sends energy into roots and plant growth instead of premature fruiting, increasing total yield over the season. Peppers are self-fertile, but pollination helps a lot. In a greenhouse or under row cover, gently shake blooming plants daily to mimic wind. Outdoor plants usually get this naturally. For color, remember all bell peppers start green. The final color, red, yellow, orange, or purple, depends on variety. Red bells are just fully ripened green bells. Letting peppers reach their final color makes them sweeter and boosts vitamin C, but it takes longer and keeps fruit on the plant for more weeks. Compact varieties like California Wonder and Ace work well in containers and small spaces. For heavy production, try candy cane or gypsy peppers. They're technically sweet peppers, but used much like bells and very productive. What pepper varieties are you growing this year? I'm always curious what people are trying. Subscribe for more deep dive growing guides and like this video if the heat and fertilization tips helped. See you Sunday.